welcome back to my channel. My name is Carly Stevens and this is English Nerd. Today I wanted to talk to you about the difference between who and whom, so that will be the focus of this 2-minute writer video. There's a hilarious scene in The Office when, I believe it's Michael during his PowerPoint presentation, uses the word whomever, and there's this long argument about whether whomever is a word, if it's just the fancier way of saying whoever. Happily, there is actually an answer to the question, when do you use who and whom, and it's simpler than you might think. Essentially, it boils down to this. You use who when you're using the word as the subject of the sentence, and you use whom, or whomever, when you're using the word as the object of the sentence. If those terms don't make a lot of sense to you, that's fine. A way to kind of figure out if you're looking at the subject of the sentence or the object of the sentence is if you can replace the word with he or him. He would be the subject, him would be the object. So in the sentence, he gave him the ball, you could say who gave him the ball. Who replaces he, because it's the subject. You could also say he gave whom the ball. Whom replaces him. The reason that I'm using him instead of her is just, it's easier to remember because both end in M. So if you can remember that who is the subject, whom is the object, then your life will be a lot easier if you're writing formal papers or giving a formal presentation. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or special circumstances that you're not sure how to handle, do put those in the comments below. Like this video if you liked it, and I will see you next Monday. Bye.